some finishing touches. Okay. What? Where am I? Hello? What's this? Where am I? This is your mind, where your consciousness lies. You will stay here before you pick a choice. My mind? Why am I low health? See this first dress? Open it up. You will see a choice here. Do the same thing on the second. Scenarios. What are you talking about? First dress? Okay. Poop and quill. What? Okay. Kill my dog. Don't. Okay. I'm gonna put. Okay. What's my other option? Die and lose your world. If you won't, you will regret it. Keep your promise. What am I gonna pick? If I pick this book, I will lose my dog. If I pick this book, I will lose my world. Fine. I'll kill my dog. Okay. I pick kill my dog. Well done. Goodbye, friend. I'll see you next time. I'm gonna go to sleep.